In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a welcome post in Skool. By the end, you'll have a clear, friendly first message that sets the tone for your community and helps new members feel at home right away. Start by signing into your account at skool.com. Use a browser you trust and make sure you're logged into the profile that manages your group. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, select the community you want to work with. If you're part of multiple groups, double-check the name and icon so you don't post in the wrong place. At the top of your community, click the Community tab. This is where the conversation lives and where your welcome message will be most visible to members as they browse the feed. Now look for the Write Something bar at the top of the feed and click it. This opens the post composer and gives you space for a title and the body of your message. Add a clear, catchy title first. Aim for something warm and unmistakable, like "Welcome to our community" or "Start here, read this first." Keep it short so it's easy to scan in the feed. In the body, write a message that does three things: greet people, set expectations, and invite action. Begin with a friendly hello and a one-sentence description of what your community is about. Then explain what members can expect, such as the kind of discussions, resources, or events you'll share. If there are any simple guidelines that help everyone have a good experience, summarize them briefly in positive language. Finally, invite members to take a first step, like introducing themselves in the comments or checking out a key resource. Keep your paragraphs short so it's easy to read, and write in your natural voice. A helpful structure is a warm welcome, a quick what to expect, and one clear next step. When your message feels right, choose a category so it's easy to find later. Pick something like "Welcome" or "Start here" if your community uses those. Categories help organize posts and make your introduction the obvious first stop for new members. Before you publish, take a moment to proofread the title and body for clarity and tone. Small edits now can make a big difference in how your message lands. When you're ready, click Post. Your welcome note will appear in the community feed, ready to greet new and returning members. That's it, a simple, effective way to introduce your space and get everyone off to a great start.